ready, go.
Okay, so before you get started, make sure you put a bouffant and a mask on. Grab your gowns and gloves, find a flat surface and go ahead and open them. And then when you open your gown, orient it so your cuff where your neck would go, it looks like a t-shirt up here. And it's also somewhat like a book. I'm gonna touch this now just so you see. You've got a spine on this side and then it opens up like a book this way. So you want the spine on the left just like a book. Go over and do your hand, clean your hands, either sterile scrub if you have time to do it. If not, hand gel when all else fails. Go all the way down your arms as far as you can. When you walk back over, there's a white towel on top of your gown you can grab. There's a folded corner. Grab the folded corner and shake it out. Try to use one side for one hand and the other side for the other hand. So just kind of go down your hand like this and don't rub, switch it over, do the other hand, and then you can just drop in and get rid of it. You're gonna go to your gown first, grab it in your left hand by the spine, and then on both sides there's these little pockets. If you put your fingers in both like this before you open your book, your hands will already be in the sleeves. And then you're gonna put it on. Try not to bring your fingers out the ends. If you have a friend, have them do the back for you here real quick. It's all right. Now,
Here, I can do it.
wanna do it?
I can edit that out.
Okay, that's all right. All right, so you're gonna keep your fingers inside your cuffs. Try not to pull the cuffs all the way in because that's just gonna make the outside unsterile. So you just kind of grab them and hold them. You're gonna take your left hand and grab the right glove and you're gonna put it on your hand in the same anatomical position that it comes in. Your thumb's here on this outside. Once you have in that position, flip it so the fingers point to you. And now you can very carefully pull the cuff open so you can get the tips of your fingers in. This is usually the hardest part. So once you have it open, you can kind of get some fingers in. And then you're gonna take with your left hand and the cuff and you're gonna pull it down your hand. Now at this point, your fingers are probably not gonna be in the right spot and you're gonna have a lot of the cuff under the glove. You can gently pull back on your gown and your fingers should hopefully go into the right spots. That hand's done, so you're gonna move to the left. You're gonna pick up the glove, lay it on top of your hand just like it would go. Flip it over. This one should be easier now that you have one hand where you can use your fingers. So same thing, we're gonna open the cuff, tuck our covered fingers in and pull the edge over and gently pull on the gown to pull your glove on all the way. And at this point you can adjust as you need. Last step is to tie the gown. So you have this card here. Take your left hand and grab the left string and pull it out. Pass off the card to somebody else. They're gonna grab just the color part. And you're gonna turn, and when you come back around, grab the other string so it doesn't fall. And then you can tie yourself off real quick. And now you're sterile and you're ready to go.